Welcome everyone to our next online SAP learning tutorial series. Here in this tutorial, we will see how to check the incomplete asset list in SAP. So to check the incomplete asset list, you have to enter transaction code AUVA in SAP command box, then press enter. And here on the next screen, you can see you have to enter the company code, asset class, asset number. So here I am entering only the company code. Then you have to click on execute. Here you can see for this company code we have one incomplete asset. So once you can see also here the list of activity which are incomplete for this asset, like description one, useful life for depreciation area. So once I click on description one here, double click on this, you can see here and maintain the description here. Click on save. Here you have to maintain the useful life. Now you can see the this changes has been saved. Press back, enter the same company code again and execute the report. Now you can see we don't have any incomplete asset list for this company code. So by this way you can check incomplete asset list in SAP. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube.